Welcome back, kids! My name is Teacher Andy. For today, we are going to practice reading with Comprehension Quiz, Part 3. Are you ready to learn? Let's start! Reading. I am Andre, and I love to read. I like to read books with my friends. We like to read a book about planets. Let's read again. I am Andre, and I love to read. I like to read books with my friends. We like to read a book about planets. Try to read, kids. Who loves to read? A. Andrew, B. Andre, C. Andres. The answer is
B. Andre.
I like to read books with blank. A. My brothers, B. My friends, C. My parents. The correct answer is
B. My friends.
Let's read the whole sentence.
I like to read books with my friends.
We read a book about blank. A. Trees, B. Pets. C. Planets. The correct answer is
C. Planets.
Let's read the whole sentence, kids.
We read a book about planets.
Ben's pumpkin. Ben has a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. The pumpkin is orange. Ben will make a pumpkin pie. Let's read again. Ben has a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. The pumpkin is orange. Ben will make a pumpkin pie. Your turn to read, kids. Everyone, let's complete the sentence. Ben has a blank. A cat. B bag. C pumpkin. The correct answer is
C. Pumpkin.
Let's read the whole sentence, kids.
Ben has a pumpkin.
The pumpkin is blank. A. Little. B. Big. C. Rotten. The correct answer is
B. Big.
Kids, let's read the whole sentence.
The pumpkin is big.
Ben will make a blank. A. Cupcake. B. Pumpkin bread. C. Pumpkin pie. The correct answer is
C. Pumpkin pie.
Let's read the whole sentence, kids.
Ben will make a pumpkin pie.
Sledding. The boys and girls love to go sledding. They will sled down the hill. Sledding is so much fun. Let's read again. The boys and girls love to go sledding. They will sled down the hill. Sledding is so much fun. Your turn to read, kids. Now let's answer the question. Who will go sledding? A. The boys. B. The girls. C. The boys and the girls. The answer is
C. The boys and the girls.
they love to blank. A. Skate. B. Run. C. Go sledding. The answer is
C. Go sledding.
Now let's read the whole sentence.
They love to go sledding.
They will blank. A. Sled up the hill. B. Sled down the hill. C. Make a snowman. The correct answer is
B. Sled down the hill.
Now let's read the whole sentence.
They will sled down the hill.
Let's read the sentences again, but this time together with Ate Shan.
I am Andre, and I love to read. I like to read books with my friends. We like to read a book about planets. Ben has a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. The pumpkin is orange. Ben will make a pumpkin pie. The boys and girls love to go sledding. They will sled down the hill. Sledding is so much fun.
Great job, kids! Now that we understand the sentences that we have read, don't forget to practice reading and make it a habit. See you in our next videos, kids! Thank you for watching! If you like this video, you may subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when we uploaded new videos. See you in our next class, kids! Thank you!